Today I'm going to show you how to create a personal budget tracker in Notion. If you're new to Notion, it's a powerful tool that lets you organize your life with custom databases, pages, and more. This budget tracker will help you set and manage your money budget across various categories, while keeping track of your total spending and remaining budget each month. Let's dive into the setup. To build this budget tracker, you'll need to create two databases in Notion, one for your budget categories and another for your expenses. Start by adding a table view for your budget categories. This will include columns like category name and the monthly budget in your preferred currency. Then create another table view for tracking your expenses with properties like date of purchase, amount, and notes. For a clean and minimalist look, you can hide the vertical lines in the table view and replace the database title with a heading block. Now let's link the expenses database to the categories database using the relation property. This will allow you to assign each expense to a specific category, making it easier to see where your money is going. To make this budget tracker even more powerful, we'll use the rollup property in the categories database. This will calculate the total spending for each category. Now we'll also add a formula in the expense database to check if an expense falls within the current month. This way, your budget tracker will only sum up relevant expenses. Next, we'll create a simple formula to calculate the remaining budget for each category by subtracting the total expenses from the monthly budget. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!